At Target Malaria, we are working to develop an innovative technology to reduce malaria transmission in sub-Saharan Africa. This region is one of the hardest hit by malaria, accounting for over 90% of global cases and deaths from the disease. Our team in Uganda is based at the Uganda Virus Research Institute in Entebbe and is headed by the principal investigator, Dr. Jonathan Kayondo. The team includes qualified insectary staff, scientists, and a stakeholder engagement and communications team. Our activities in Uganda began in 2012 under the Department of Entomology and Vector Biology. Since then, our work here has focused on entomological mosquito collections from mainland sites and field sites on islands on Lake Victoria. The collections are done in collaboration with local communities who live in these sites. Once collected, the mosquitoes are analyzed in our laboratory. This research is crucial to help us understand the behavior of local malaria-transmitting mosquitoes and model potential future work with genetically modified mosquitoes. In 2024, after receiving approval from the national regulatory authorities and the agreement of the community living around our insectary, we imported a strain of non-gene-drive genetically modified male bias mosquitoes. These mosquitoes are fertile and are genetically modified to produce mainly male offspring. They will be studied in containment in our insectary at the Uganda Virus Research Institute. Work on the male bias mosquitoes is an intermediate step in Target Malaria's phase development pathway to develop an innovative tool to reduce malaria transmission. Our insectary at the Uganda Virus Research Institute meets international guidelines and national regulations for the containment of insects called Arthropod Containment Level 2. This means that there are safety measures in place to ensure mosquitoes cannot accidentally escape and to prevent other insects from entering. Inside the laboratory, mosquitoes are kept, reared, and studied in cages. Studying mosquitoes in our insectary helps our researchers learn about their characteristics and analyze how genetically modified mosquitoes' behavior compares to that of wild-type mosquitoes. Stakeholder engagement is also an essential part of our work at Target Malaria Uganda. Our team regularly engages stakeholders at different levels, including local communities affected by our research, in order to share information about the project and ensure they can make informed decisions about activities taking place in their village or neighborhood.